POCO M8, power-packed performance with Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. The POCO M8 is designed to deliver strong performance, efficient power management, and a smooth user experience at an aggressive price point. With a capable Snapdragon chipset, a large display, a reliable camera setup, and a long-lasting battery, the POCO M8 is positioned as a solid contender in the mid-range smartphone segment for users who value performance and storage. Bold design with large display. The POCO M8 features a 6.77-inch display, offering an immersive viewing experience for gaming, streaming, and everyday browsing. The large screen size makes it ideal for multimedia consumption, while POCO's signature design language ensures a modern and stylish look that appeals to younger users and tech enthusiasts. Smooth performance with Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. At the heart of the POCO M8 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, built on an efficient 4nm fabrication process. The octa-core CPU combines Cortex-A78 cores at 2.4 GHz with Cortex-A55 cores at 1.8 GHz, delivering excellent balance between performance and power efficiency. Paired with the Adreno 710 GPU, the device handles multitasking, gaming, and daily apps smoothly. 8GB RAM and massive 256GB storage. The POCO M8 comes with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM, ensuring smooth app switching and stable performance. With 256GB of internal storage, users get ample space for apps, games, photos, and videos, making it ideal for heavy users who don't want to worry about storage limitations. 50MP dual rear camera setup. Photography on the POCO M8 is handled by a 50MP primary rear camera, supported by a 2MP secondary sensor for depth effects. This setup captures clear, detailed photos with accurate colors, making it suitable for social media, casual photography, and everyday moments. Long-lasting 5,520 mAh battery. Powering the POCO M8 is a 5,520 mAh battery, designed to easily last a full day of heavy usage. Whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or browsing the web, the battery ensures minimal downtime and dependable endurance throughout the day. Android 15 with HyperOS experience. The smartphone runs on Android 15, layered with POCO's HyperOS. This combination offers a clean interface, smoother animations, enhanced system optimizations, and improved privacy controls, resulting in a fast and modern software experience. Conclusion: a strong all-rounder from POCO. With its Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, 50MP camera, and 5,520 mAh battery, the POCO M8 delivers excellent value for users looking for a performance-focused smartphone. It's a great choice for gamers, multitaskers, and anyone seeking reliable daily performance with future-ready software.